Howdy friends, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. I am your Ravin sir. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Now I am going to discuss about some beautiful idioms. Part 2, which is very popular in our daily lives. এখন আমি আলোচনা করছি কিছু সুন্দর idioms প্রবাদ বাক্য যেটা আমাদের দৈনন্দিন জীবনে খুব কাজে লাগতে পারে। Okay? So, let us come to today's discussion. A chip of the old block. What it means? A person who is similar in character like his father or mother. This is called মানে একই চরিত্রের বাবা মায়ের সঙ্গে মিল বা একই চরিত্রের লোকগুলো সেই লোকগুলোকে বলে a chip of the old flock. Another you may called birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. একই জানাওয়ালা পাখিগুলো এক জায়গায় বাসা বাঁধে। So the person of similar character always like to mix with other people. Okay, clear? Next, speak of the devil. When you are talking about some of your friends, in the meantime your friends appear. This situation is called speak of the devil. তুমি তোমার বন্ধুর সম্পর্কে কোনো কথা বলছো, সেই সময় তোমার বন্ধু এসে হাজির হয়ে গেল। সেটাকে বলছে a person whom you are talking suddenly appears. This situation is called speak of the devil. Next, number 6, that is apple of discord. Apple of discord, something that causes trouble. Jeta, the incident that causes you trouble. This trouble is called apple of discord. You know the story of Adam and Eve. নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা Adam and Eve এর গল্প জানো? Biblical story. Paradise lost. First, God told Adam and Eve to enjoy all the beauty of the paradise, but not to touch the fruit trees, that is apple trees, apple fruits. That's why apple is called forbidden fruits. But due to temptation of Satan, শয়তানের প্ররোচনায় প্রলুব্ধ হয়ে Adam bound to pick up the apple, and as a result God became displeased with Adam and Eve and sent to devil, hell, that is called earth. এই পৃথিবীতে পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছিল। So that's why apple is called a forbidden fruit. Apple of discord, something that causes trouble. Okay, so I hope you are enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel English Funda Kolkata. Till then, goodbye. See you again on the next video. Thank you.